Yeah.
Follow up on this DS18 G8400. I love the amp because it's all black, has the DS18 logo and like in it, you know, cast in it. So I had a 3K here. You can kind of see the squares, and I have one down here, which you can kind of see the mark where it was. So I had a full bridge 3K on each door, 2 ohm version on 2 DS18 neodymium, the big monster neodymium tins. And in no way, shape, or form did I have that amp turned up. The gain was relatively down, really low. I think what I did is when I kind of gain matched them, maybe at a quarter. Gain might have been a quarter of the way up. But then I turned around and I basically had to turn them down more on the DSP because, you know, we started turning the volume up, listening to them. And when the tins would start popping, I would turn them channels down volume-wise on the DSP. But, I mean, they made a lot of power, but don't need it no more, guys. We're beyond that, you know. So this little G8400, at 2 ohm, it'll do 1,000 watts per channel. At 4 ohm, it does over 700 per channel. It's rated at 700 per channel. And that's what it did on the dyno. I mean, DS18, they actually put a dyno run of that amp up. But here's what I have it on. 4/8 per door, and they are 8 ohm 8s, which brings the ohm load to 4 ohm per channel. And I just literally got all this together. I did adjust the DSP, I matched the gains on the amplifier. I did all that. I could still turn the gains up a lot. We're nowhere near clipping. It has clip light, and it's louder than it was before. So I just, you know, when I saw the G8400 amp come out, I was really like, damn, that's a badass little amp for a 4-channel. It's great for big door builds, you know. And I had to get one. I got it. I did an unboxing video on it if you want to go back and look at that. But yes, I'm glad I chose it. I'm impressed with it. The thing is doing great in there. I mean, granted, we ain't taking it to a show and played it all day, but it's a damn 4-channel. I mean, your 4-channel amps very seldom get hot. My Def Bunch 4 channels and this thing, they get a little warm demoing all day, but yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed with it. DS18's been doing a great job. They've been stepping their game up. Which a lot of people, they always want to call DS18 budget company, cheap, whatever. And they do have cheap lines. They basically have a line of product for any budget. And when you start getting into their, you know, like, I'm not going to say higher priced because you're getting quality, but when you start buying their, you know, their higher end stuff, it does cost a little more, but damn, I mean, it's worth it with the quality you get. So I'm very happy with it. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on the amplifier because a lot of people were just kind of like, what? You're replacing 2 full bridge 3Ks with a G8400 that's tiny. Yeah, it's a tiny footprint amp. I could fit 6 of them on that sidewall easily, which if I ever decide to do a stunt wall, that would be the perfect amp for it. But anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to do as a follow-up. Peace out, and as always, bass on.